So I finished the top stitching now. So in the last video, it was just the overlocking of the seams of the hood, and then what I did was I top stitched, just gave the seam a top stitch to make sure that it lies flat and nice and flat here, and so there's a top stitch now for the outer hood. You look at it, and everything is nicely aligned there, so the hood looks nice. So now the next, and then also the inside hood I top stitched. So now what we're going to do is we're going to attach these two panels onto each other. So we must, so this is the one panel and here's the other one. So we must align them right sides together. So we're going to turn them, this one upside down, like this, and then this one should fit just right in there, like this. So the right sides are facing each other. It's more like everything that we sew. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to now stitch the front part of the hood. It's basically lying like that. So the hood goes like this. I'm going to stitch this front part, and then we'll turn it around. And then what we're going to do is in the next video, I will be doing the buttonholes for the strings. So, and once the buttonholes are finished, I think we are ready to attach the hood. I'll see what's going to come next. So these two are sort of fine. And then this one must line up there. I'm going to use this needle here. I don't like using these pins here. I don't like it. But okay, it's not just to show. So there it is. So we're going to do the overlock here now. And then when we turn it around, everything should be fine, I think. And sort of right. So this is really an easy step. The main thing is just to make sure that the panels are facing each other. The right sides are facing each other. And that we can see there as well. So let me align it here in front a bit. Yeah, switch on the machine. Okay, I just want the two seams here to be sort of aligned properly. When we go in there, it's not always the easiest thing, but at least when they go through that foot, they are nicely aligned. Okay, so there's the hood now. With the seams there, the seams are flat, so we're going to turn it around now. Inside out here at the bottom. And there it is. So we've got a nice flat seam at the back here, like that, and then on the inside we've got a flat seam as well. So this looks good. So in the next step, what we're going to do is I'm just going to do the buttonholes here. And when those buttonholes are finished, I'm going to do a stitch here and a stitch here around to make sure that we can insert the string. Okay. And then what we'll also do is here on the cap, just there, to ensure that the inside panel don't pull loose. We'll just do a small stitch there to keep everything in place. Sort of a stay stitch and make sure everything is in place. But I think this looks nice. All the panels of the outside hood comes together nicely. There we can see. So this is a double hood. It's easy to do. And I think it looks good. Okay, so in the next video we're going to do the buttonholes, and then we'll do a stitch. We'll do a stitch here to make sure everything is aligned. Okay, so it's actually, to create these hoodies is easy and fast.